Hey everyone, welcome back to Wireless Solutions, your go-to channel for tech tips and tutorials. Let's dive into how to use text-to-speech on TikTok. Let's get started. Open TikTok. Tap the plus button at the bottom to create a new video. You can either record a new video by holding the red button or tap Upload to use one from your gallery. Once your video is ready, tap the text or AA icon in the right menu. Type the message you want TikTok to read aloud. After typing the text, tap on the text box once it is placed on your video. In the pop-up menu, tap Text-to-Speech or the speech icon. TikTok will instantly read your text using a default voice. Tap Next, add a caption, hashtags, and then Post. To use text-to-speech in TikTok, you will usually find the option right after adding text to your video. For example, once you type your text, just tap on it and select text-to-speech from the pop-up menu. If your app version supports voice options, you can also change the voice style for extra personality. Whether you are narrating, adding humor, or just trying something new, it is quick and super easy to do. If this video helped you, hit that like button, share it with your friends, and subscribe to Wireless Solutions for more easy tech tutorials. Thank you so much for watching. Bye for now.